Okay, find my inner peace. Find my inner peace. Trying to find my inner peace. Trying not to think of other things. Like, what am I going to eat for dinner? No. I'm not going to think about that. Find my inner peace. Silence. Stop thinking so much, Ryan. Just go with the flow. You'll get there. Stop. No. Okay. It's okay. Inner peace. Inner peace. Can't find it. Hold on right there. I know you've probably tried to meditate before. And chances are in the past you did what I just did, didn't you? Well, I don't blame you because meditating really isn't easy when you don't have anybody teaching it to you and you don't know how to actually do it. No worries, you have me. And what am I going to do? I'm going to tell you how I was able to meditate easily because I've done the same thing that you guys have done plenty of times before. Trust me. People make it sound so easy. Close your eyes, imagine, blah, 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 blah. Like it's just not that simple. That's why I previously downloaded this app, which I've got from my mom, that has really helped me with my mood. It's changed my whole perspective on life. It's called meditation. I know. Crazy, right? Didn't expect it to be called meditation, but it is. And it has helped so much starting out to meditate, especially for someone like me who doesn't know how to meditate. And it says such beautiful things in your ear that helps you to grow in a spiritual way that you didn't think that you will ever grow before. At least I didn't. I paid $30 for like the full premium subscription, which you were like, oh my gosh, I shouldn't have to pay to meditate. No, you shouldn't. But it really helps. And the great part is, as anything gives you, there's a 7-day free trial. So you can see if you like it or not. And I'm sure you will because the app is just that great. Sadly, I'm not getting sponsored for this video. I should get sponsored for this video. But what I do, I plug in both of my ears. Or if you live by yourself or if you're home by yourself, you don't need to plug in your ears. There's no point because you're by yourself. So nobody's going to walk in on you. But I plug in my ears and it says things in my ear that helps me to get into that meditation state that I'm not able to do by myself, because really someone like me, I have anxiety and I'm really tense, like really tense. You see me dance? I'm really tense. You should check out my lit self-love playlist. You'll get some grooves there. But really, being somebody who's tense and has lots of anxiety, it's hard for me to relax and meditate and keep my mind focused on what I need to focus it on. However, when I use that app, I feel so much better meditating and it just makes my mood so much better during the day. I meditate every morning. When I meditate, you don't have to do that typical, no. I have done it while laying down. I have done it while just like leaning back like this. It really doesn't matter the way you lay as long as you're finding that center peace that you deserve and that you are looking for during this meditation. You see what I'm saying? So hopefully in the future I'm able to just get in a meditative state by myself, and hopefully you guys can do that too. But I really hope this helped you guys learning how to meditate easy in the year 2020 during these hard times. It's not easy with what's going on. It's really hard to become relaxed and see a better light because of what we're going through. But God is good. Blessings will come eventually. God bless you all. I hope you guys are all okay. I hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed day because you guys are all beautiful people. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please like and subscribe and comment down below anything at all. Please be kind.